if you take a look at the supplications that are made in the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ or in the Quran, a lot of the times you'll find beautiful names and qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Unfortunately today, we don't know the names, and at times, even if we know them, we don't use them. I know of children who memorize the 100 names of Allah, the 99 names of Allah, the 99 names of Allah, and they're more than 99. They're probably 120, 150. The exact number is not actually known. But the 99 that we know, the 99 that are specific, those that are mentioned in a specific hadith, those 99, the hadith says if you memorize them, if you actually believe them, if you put them into practice in a certain way, then Allah will grant you paradise, just because you've recognized your maker. That's the reason. You've recognized your maker. You've recognized who made you and whom you're going to return to. So to know the qualities of Allah is one thing, but use those names. Use them. Oh Allah, you are most forgiving, forgive me. Oh Allah, this is who you are. This is what you've promised. Or these are your qualities. You are the strongest. Grant me strength. Oh Allah, you are the protector. Protect me. You are the giver. Give me. And so on. So